Morning guys. So this is what our last problem of the week. So I've chosen something that's a little bit different. It's kind of open-ended. So that basically means that there are many different options to work these questions out, but also that there are many different answers. So let me read today's problem to you. Just got to move my little camera thing. Hockey practice. Lucy and Liam love to play hockey. Each week, Lucy attends practice for 2 hours per day, Monday to Friday. So already that's 10 hours. I'm just going to do a little bit of drawing on here. I'm not going to do too much today. So where is it? 2 hours per day, Monday to Friday. So we know that's 10, as well as 4.5 hours per day on Saturday and Sunday. So Lucy, we've got 10 plus 4.5 plus 4.5 because that's both days on the weekend. I'm not going to answer that for you. Liam attends practice for 3 hours per day on Mondays and Wednesdays and 2 hours on Friday. So that's a bit different. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2, which is 8. So I'm just going to write it down before I forget. So Liam does 8 during the week. And then on the weekends, it says, on Saturdays, he attends practice from 1 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. So how many hours is that? I'm not going to tell you, actually. I'm going to keep that to myself. You guys can work that out. So on Saturdays, he attends practice from 1 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. plus 1:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. And that's in brackets because you guys need to calculate that. And on Sundays he attends practice from 1:30 until 5. So another bracket, 1:30 till 5 p.m. Okay, so that's another thing you have to work out. He does not have practice on Tuesdays or Thursdays. Okay, so that's cool. We don't need to add that in. Now, the answers to questions about Lucy and Liam's hockey practice schedules are A, 15, B, 19, C, 4, and D, 34. But you're asking, what are all these numbers here for? Well, today's problem is actually, what are the possible questions that give these answers? So you need to come up with a question that gives you the answer of number 15. So that might have something to do with the number of hours that they play, or could be something else. So it's totally up to you. See if you can work that out. That's your challenge today. And no giving up. Everyone can have a go.